Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with our new chapter from the book Tidbits. The name of the chapter is Transport. So open to page number 25. Children, have you all opened to this chapter, Transport? Okay, children, now let me tell you what are transport. Now, transport are vehicles which take us from one place to another. Children, because of transport, we can travel far and near places. Yes, wherever we want to go, we can just sit in that and we can go around. So, let's see what are the different types of transport. Children, there are three types of transport. The three types of transports are water transport, air transport and road transport. So there are some of them. Let's do it. This is a train, T-R-A-I-N, train. Now train is a transport which moves on tracks. Yes, there is a track made on the road and the train moves on the track. It carries many people at a time. Okay, children, this is the engine of a train which pulls all the coaches. Okay, now this is a helicopter, H-E-L-I, heli, C-O-P, cop, T-E-R, ter, helicopter. Now helicopter is a air transport. Okay, children, helicopter is an air transport. So it flies in the air, and children, it carries only 4 to 3 or 2 people, not more than that, not more than 4 people it carries. And the quality about the helicopter is that helicopter can stop anywhere in the air. It can just stand still, you can say, in the air. It will not move. Okay, children, and helicopter has a fan on its head. And this is an aeroplane. Now aeroplane carries many people at a time for a long distance. Yes, when we go abroad or somewhere in the far, then we use a helicopter. When we have to save our time, then we use helicopter and aeroplane to travel far and near places. Okay, children, but aeroplane cannot stop in the air. It will fall. You can make helicopter land anywhere. If you have a big terrace, you can make it land on a big terrace also. But aeroplane, if you will try and stop aeroplane in the air, it will collapse. Then an accident will take place. Okay, children. So the next one is a car. You all have seen a car. Most of you travel in the car. Yes, car has 4 wheels. How many wheels a car have? Car has 4 wheels. Now what is this? This is a bullock cart. Bullock cart. B-U-L-L-O-C-K, bullock, C-A-R-T, cart. Bullock cart. Children, these are the bulls which pull the cart, and people used to sit in the cart and they used to travel in the cart. And basically you see bullock carts in villages. Okay, children, in villages people use bullock carts. Yes, these are the bulls, and that is why it's named as bullock cart. Now this is a bus. Bus also carries many people at a time. It is a very good means of transport. It moves on a road. Yes. Now this is a jeep, J-E-E-P, jeep. Now jeep is also has 4 wheels. Okay, children, now who uses jeep? You know that? Yes, police and army people use jeep. Now this is a bicycle, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Now bicycle is moved by the help of our legs. Yes. So we sit on this bicycle and then we ride it. You all ride a bicycle? Yes? Okay. Now this is a auto rickshaw. This is an auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. A-U-T-O, auto, R-I-C-K, rick, S-H A-W, shaw, rickshaw. Auto, rickshaw. Now this is a scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. Scooter has 2 wheels. Now this is a water transport. Ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Children, ship also carries many people at a time. And ship floats on water. You can see ship in the oceans. Yes. Now this is a motorcycle. M-O-T-O-R, motor. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Motorcycle. Yes. And this is a boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Boat also floats on water. Yes. Rivers, lakes. We can see boats in rivers and lakes. Okay, children. Now let's do these question and answers which are given here. So I'm going to read this. Question number 1. Which is the fastest vehicle? Now answer is aeroplane is the fastest vehicle. Yes, it saves our time. Yes. Now the next one is, which animal helps in pulling carts? Horses and bull help in pulling carts. Yes. Horse cart, bullock cart. Yes. Horse cart is known as tonga. Yes. It's known as tonga. And the animal which pulls the cart here in this picture is a bullock cart. But when there is a horse, it's known as tonga. Okay. Question number 3. What helps us cross a river? A boat helps us cross a river. Then here it is. Question number 4. What is the color of a school bus? Answer. A school bus is yellow in color. Children, you must have seen on the road early in the morning when you come to school, there are many school buses moving on the road, and the color of the school bus is yellow. Question number 5. Which means of transport has an engine and coaches? I have explained you here. It is a train. Train has an engine and coaches. Okay, children. So these are the transport which helps us in traveling from one place to another. Thank you.